Welcome to cabin 7403. As you can see, this is an interior cabin on the Carnival Vista. This interior cabin does not have any Pullmans in the ceiling, so meaning there is no bed that comes out of the ceiling here. This is strictly a two-person cabin, and it's got two nightstands, the beds that are two twin beds that form a king. It is also an adjoining stateroom, and we happen to have the second stateroom next door. I'll show you an example of what that looks like in a minute. There's a TV. Above the TV you've got a couple bottles of water that are for sale. Key to Platinum members, if you are use those bottles, you've got to get your complimentary ones from your stateroom steward. Below the water and the desk there is a little fridge. It smells like chlorine. They definitely sanitize that. A couple towels there, some shelving. On the opposite side you have a mirror, as well as your little stool, trash can. On the right is the closet. Lots of hangers and in the closet, as well as a safe. You can see the safe here. This one is either a swipe your card or a insert your PIN code. Below that is three little cupboards that you can put clothes or other items in. Plenty of hangers in this closet. Across the little entryway here on the left, you have the standard toilet, cruise ship vacuum toilet. You have your shower, got your shampoo and shower gel inside there. And on the other side across from the toilet is your sink. Underneath is a trash can, Kleenex, towels, toilet paper there, and then your mirror with some storage cupboards. A few towels up here. And then on the other back of the door is our stateroom. Your stateroom information. You can see you have your muster station here. We are in muster station C as in Charlie 4. I really hope you enjoyed this brief video tour of a interior stateroom on the Carnival Vista. We sure like staying in these rooms. They're a little bit cooler, and I sure like it dark at night, so we'll be pretty excited to be in this room. Again, if you like this video, please hit like below. Please leave us a comment. Have you been in an interior stateroom? Balcony, suite? What is your personal preference? And hey, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell so you know when we're going to post our next video. We've got a bunch more to come. This is just embarkation day. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.